Today I'm doing a tour of the Naval Academy, and when I was a kid I used to come here all the time with my dad. He was a Navy commander, and let me stop real quick and pan. This is one of the most beautiful time of the years, and we would go to the officers club. We'll be walking by that, and that's where they had all the really good food. I mean, like really good food. So anyway, make a long story short, all the admirals and all the high ranking people would go upstairs, but the lower rank, there was not a rule or anything, but it was more fun downstairs in the basement. Well, I'm on the little walk bridge heading over to the athletic field, but my destination is the hill right there, and that's the Naval Academy Cemetery. I've been to a lot of cemeteries. This one is the cemetery at the United States Naval Academy. But I just was visiting John McCain's grave, but I came across something really unusual that I've never seen before. So these all date back into the 20s and 30s, but there's about half a dozen of them in here. They're babies. There's one there, 1929. This was 1936, 1 day old. Another 1 day old. Another young child. Another grave, and another grave, and another one, and another one. 35. These are all children. I just never seen a cemetery where they have a special area for infants. It's just that has never dawned on me before. Whenever you go to a cemetery and see little lambs here, 1938, this child here was just 3 days old. 1 day old. These are all more children. These are all less than a year old or a couple days old. I just never have seen anything like this. I just wanted to continue with this. There's another dozen or more children. Baby girl Phelps, November 22nd, 1936, daughter of sailmaker and Mrs. Thomas P. Mills. This whole section of the cemetery is children. I've never seen this. I was at a cemetery once up in North Dakota on an Indian reservation, and they had a section where they had children. Pretty much they all died in the winter time. They were all about the same age, and they were all buried together. But I never expected to see this on the grounds of the Naval Academy. This is one of my favorite places in the whole entire world.